Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to calculate works after night shift. How to calculate hours works after night shift. Okay, so it is just if your employee working in night shift and next day, so how you can calculate the hours. In previous video, I'm showed you how to calculate hours in same day, but if your employee or any other person work in till next day, like between night shift or span night shift, so how you can calculate the hours. So if I'm going to this sample in previous video, I'm show you how to calculate hours if you start time and in time in the same day. But you can see that this last sample, you can see the start work 7 p.m. and in work like next day 6 a.m. Okay, so you can so there is a calculation which use I here in this work start in this formula will not applicable here because it is span night shift working time, right? So you can see, so which formula you have to use. You can use the if formula. You have to use the if formula. I will show you. So here I'm going to show you. First I have to delete this formula. You can see the or formula above, or formula is same. So here I have to change the formula. I have to use the if formula. So press equal sign, it is indicate to I'm going to use the formula to excel. So type if and click tab, then if formula will be applicable, start to applicable here, and the bracket will be open. So here you can see logical test, value if you true and value if you false. Here you have to give the value which is true, and here you have to give the value which is false. Okay, so here what is the true is that the start timing is greater than in timing. So you have to tell excel that the start time is greater than in timing. So you have to click the first starting time, then enter the greater sign, and tab on in time. So it is indicate to excel that is a start time is in time is start time is greater from in time. Okay, so this is indication to the excel now. So guys, now if this condition is true, so now we have to tell excel that the these guys work till next day. So simply you have to plus 1 day, which means is your employee work till next day. Okay, it is indication to the excel. If your employee is, suppose your employee work for 2 days 3 days continually, which is not common. If your employee work 2 days, you can indicate 2. Okay, but here the 1 day only, because it is next day, so you can plus next day. Okay, okay, so here you have to comma again, and this again, then we just made mistake, so plus one. Okay, so here, okay, did not. Here I indicate to excel that the start date is greater than end date. Okay, so now the which next day, so this time is for next day, so I have to enter again this cell, and then plus one. Okay, so now if this is true, okay, just now you have to tell to excel that this time is for same day. That how you can excel can calculate the same data. Just close the bracket. Now you have to minus, and you have to minus start day from this bracket, and just click, so you can get this 11 hours. Okay, so that is how you can calculate midnight working time or midnight span time. So I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you.